for one final message sa lahat po na nandito and to everyone watching in Davao, whether sila po ay long-time Sunrider believers or just starting their journey. So we'll start again with Ms. Karen.
Okay, final message. First of all, I'd just like to thank si Dr. Edna and si Doris for the powerful sharing. I think we couldn't have shared it any better. Maraming salamat po for that. So final message to everyone in here. I'd just like to say na when you join Sunrider, you're not just joining a company. You're actually joining a global movement of people who are super passionate about health, about purpose, and possibilities. Para po yung nakikita niyo today with the people who are sharing about it. So that's what I want to share with them. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Karen. Ms. MJ?
Well, ako naman on the side of compliance, regulatories, make sure that the company is legitimate, di ba? Make sure that it's being vetted by the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines because compliance isn't a restriction, it's actually protection and empowerment for all Filipino consumers.
Thank you, Ms. MJ. And Ms. Doris, one final message?
We have been attend the Sunrider convention for XYZ times, and we have been visit the manufacturing plant. It's really huge. So Sunrider modernized that Chinese medicine, and a balanced body is a healthy body. So that's all find our balance in Sunrider, from health to our wealth, to our business. And dear friends, I always like to do some commercial. Doing business, just business, is very boring. So it's good not to love with Sunrider, so not so boring in the consultation room, So please all tune into Sunrider. If you like to learn more about TCM or the Sunrider opportunity, please follow us in the Facebook,
Instagram,
and you can ask whoever invited you, come here, that we can give you trainings, and our doors are always open. Okay, thank you all.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Doris. And of course, Doc Edna, one final message po.
Okay. Healing, we are here going after healing. There's a difference, it's a world of difference between treating and healing. You can treat a wound, you can treat headache maybe, but healing is an entirely different scenario. It's so broad and it's so encompassing, and it's so empowering. So first, you cannot, like for me, or anybody, if you want to help somebody heal, you cannot give something that help if you are not healed yourself. So it starts from you, it starts with the family, and then with that you have so much now power to be able to help and heal. But what I want to really emphasize is that healing is not just one aspect. You have to have that kind of mindset that it's not just like I just want to take my headache away. You have to think, why is this happening? Is this my outlook in life? Are this what about my relationships? My emotions are all this affected? Which unfortunately is something that is not emphasized in mainstream medicine. Unfortunately, we are just after for the removal of the symptoms, but not the healing. So here, with these products that you have the tool to come up with a healing that we all want to have, because I hate it when the patient says, I don't want to die. I am not God, I cannot control your life. But I think we go for treatment or to go see a doctor because we all want to die healthy. And you want to die healthy and functional. And that can be done if you are in a holistic approach, using products like this, not using medications as maintenance, because eventually you will have the side effects. So that's the goal of what we're all doing here. We want to die just sleeping. You're very well, and then you just sleep, and then you just dance. You cannot stop dying. But we want to die. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Doc Edna. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, 4 incredible women from Sun Rider. Thank you again, Miss Karen, Miss Doris, Doc Edna, and Miss MJ. Ayan, so...